Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the HitchSki Trailer Hitch Ski and Snowboard Rack from Yakima. The HitchSki is designed to work with your existing compatible Yakima 4 or 5 bike trailer hitch mounted rack. It carries up to 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards, and both locks and keys are included. To begin assembling the HitchSki, locate all of the components that come in the box. Attach the 2 frame pieces together with the pivoting rails, one on each side. Add the 2 lower rails onto the bottom of the frame. Then insert the 2 screws in the back of each rail and tighten them all down with the hex key. With the HitchSki fully assembled, you're ready to install it on your bike rack. We'll be using the Yakima Ridgeback 4 for this application. Place the HitchSki in the cradles of your bike rack. Install the straps around the frame of the HitchSki to secure it to the rack. To load your equipment, release the lever on the pivoting rail to open the carrier. Then, loosen the knobs on the lower rail to allow for space to slide your equipment through. Slide your skis or snowboards at an angle into the lower rail and rest it in the pivoting rail. The pivoting rail can be adjusted to have a larger opening if you're carrying thicker skis or snowboards. Tighten the knobs on the lower rail and close the pivoting rail. Then lock it up with your supplied SKS key. For added security, you can purchase a locking cable sold separately. In the case of the Ridgeback 4, Yakima's handcuff integrated locking cable will lock the HitchSki to the rack. To unload your equipment, simply repeat the loading steps in reverse. Thank you for checking out our video on the Yakima HitchSki. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.